JT is not in the mood. Oh, is that Bali? Bali is taking care of business right now. See me, Bali. He's eating on the bone like his cousin Lobo. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. There you go, Lobo. Yeah. Baby. And his bone is right here. Baby, here's your bone. Oh, Lobo got it. Now Lobo got two. He doesn't like to share. No, he doesn't like to share it now. He'll get it nice and moist for you. Ay, mi baby. Tú estás bien bonito, mi baby. Tú estás bien bonito. ¿Estás comiendo su bone? Sí, mi papi. Está comiendo su bone, sí. Usted es uno legalito para la mamá. Sí. Sí, está bien chiquiadito. Sí. Mira. Está creciendo mucho, mi baby. Sí, está creciendo mucho. Sí, mi baby bonito.